Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cozy Loop Crochet. Today's tutorial is about how to make a placemat. This placemat I have done, which I'm gonna make another one with you. The size of it is 10 inches by 15 inches long. This is a little smaller than normal size, which is 12 by 18 inches. And since I have a smaller size table, this size is perfect for me. And for this size placemat, I have used this big twist yarn, which is 6 ounces, and for one I'm almost done with half. So for one of these 6 ounces skein of yarns, you can make 2 placemats. And it's 4 medium weight. And for the hook size, I have used 4.5 millimeter hook size, and for the brown on both sides, I have used same material, big twist, and the color is chocolate brown. And you also need a yarn needle and a pair of scissors, and that's all we need. So let's get started here. Okay, as I mentioned, this placemat is 10 by 15 inches. For 10 inches, I did 36 plus 1 chain, so we need 37 chains for this. And if you want to make it bigger, you can increase number of chains and just measure it and see if you want to go 12 inches. I believe for 12 inches you need 45 chains. So for my project, for this one, this size, I'm gonna do slip knot and then 37 chains. Okay. Okay, I have done 37 chains here. For the first row, we're gonna do single crochet all around. So we're gonna have 36 single crochets because we're gonna start from the second chain from the hook. Okay, I'm getting to the end of this first row. One, and this is my last chain. Single crochet and chain 1 at the end and turn our work. Okay, and this is a moss stitch style. So for that, we're gonna start with slip stitch, and then the next one is half double crochet, one after the other. Slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, all through 36 chains in here that we have. Okay, let's get started here. First one is slip stitch, next half double, slip stitch, half double. Okay, do this until we get to the end of the row. Okay, I'm almost to the end of the row. I just did half double crochet. I'm doing slip stitch, and the last one is half double crochet. So remember, we always start with slip stitch and we end with half double crochet. So this way we're gonna have a straight edge, and we're gonna keep that in mind. And we're gonna do 1 chain and turn the work. And now we're gonna do the third row. We're gonna start with slip stitch. So for this style, as you can see, there is this yarn which is part of the style. Just try not to pull this yarn from here, and we're gonna do, just turn your work like this and see the main chain on top. So here we go. First one is a slip stitch, and second one is half double. I'm mentioning that to the beginners so that you don't make a mistake by pulling this as a chain. So this is the side, this is our main chain. This is a slip stitch, half double. Slip stitch, half double. Let's do to go to the end, and I'll be back to show you. Okay, I'm getting to the end of this row here. Slip stitch, I'm ending with half double crochet. Okay. Okay, and chain one, and I turn my work and continue. Okay, for this one, before getting to the color change here, I have done 2, 4, 6, 8. I have done 8 rows, and I changed my color then. So I'm gonna continue with this one. I make 8 rows, and I see you back when we are changing to brown. Okay, I have done my 8 rows, and right now I'm ready to change my color. This was my last half double crochet, and I'm ready to do 1 chain. But here I bring my other color, leave a little end right here, and pull up the yarn over and make a chain in here after pulling the yarn. Okay, it might be a little loose. Just pull up the other yarn, both yarns here, and I'm not gonna cut this cream color. I'm gonna just keep it, and then I'm gonna turn around and do my brown color for 2 rows. Okay, so this is gonna be, first is gonna be, I pull this slip stitch in here, the usual, and half double crochet. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 rows of brown, just going this way and coming back here, and I'm gonna leave my cream color uncut in here. Okay, so I see you then. Okay, I have done 2 rows of brown color, and here I did my last half double crochet. Now I'm gonna bring, I have to do 1 chain. I'm gonna bring my cream color and do 1 chain. Okay, and turn my work, and again start with with the slip stitch on the first one. Okay, and then half double crochet. Okay, I'm gonna cut my yarn in here. Make a knot. Okay, and then I'm gonna hide it in here after I'm done. So right now we have to do for this project 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 30, 2, 4, 6, 36 rows of cream. And then we're gonna change the color to brown again, and two rows, go back to cream for 8 more. And then after that we're gonna do the borders. So see you later until we're done with that. Okay, I'm back in here and I'm done. I'm finished with this beautiful placemat. All I have to do is to do the borders. And I forgot to mention that the very last row I have done a single crochet, just like the beginning that we did a single crochet. So last row is a single crochet, and also on the corners we have to do 2 single crochets. So this is my last single crochet here, and this is my corner. I'm doing 2 single crochets, and on the side just evenly do single crochets. I'm gonna just show you a few. Okay, and just go all around, and this is how it's gonna look like. This is my finished product that I showed you before. It's very simple and beautiful. As I mentioned, this is a smaller size placemat. If you want to go bigger with 12 and 18 inches, you can do it. I believe for 12 inches you need 45 chains. Just try it and measure it, and it cannot go wrong. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a comment for me, subscribe, and if you like it, hit the like button. And I'm gonna do more tutorials in Cozy Loop Crochets. And thanks again. Bye-bye.